Answering service. Just about everyone these days has some sort of answering service, whether automated, like an answering machine, or live. When you call someone without a service, often it can get very annoying. This is especially true when it comes to businesses. However, customers do not usually want to call a business and get just an answering machine or voicemail. They want to speak to another individual that can help them with their problems or answer their questions. This makes it necessary for a business to have some form of answering service. Whether customers are calling in with orders or just calling in with questions, a business must have the proper tools in order to be prepared for the task, and that requires a well-qualified answering service. But how do you find the right kind of answering service for you? Depending on the type of service you need, most businesses definitely need a live operator on the other end of the line. There also needs to be some form of software available so that the operator that takes the call will be able to relay the information back to you. There are many setups for an answering service. Some software programs can virtually do all the work for you. There are also freelance operators and many organizations and companies that will do the work, live, around the clock. Once you know exactly what you need for your business, you'll have the ability to search for the best option for your needs in no time. In fact, with internet access, you're able to find these options ready, waiting, and available for you right online. Knowing that there are these services available to take care of your business when you are not around to do so makes any business owner rest a little easier.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.